Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Let me complete the lesson that we studied before, which is the continuous random variable. Okay. Give you some examples today, and tomorrow you are going to take another one on the lesson. But let me complete this lesson because some students didn't attend last session. Okay. Example or exercise. If x is a continuous random variable and f of x, which is a density function, okay, is 1 over 12 times 2x minus 1, where x is between 1 and 4 and 0 otherwise. Find probability of x is greater than 2 or less than 4. This is number I. Number 2, if probability of x is less than or equal a equals 1 over 16. Find a. Okay. So first of all, we have to substitute with some numbers of this interval to graph. Okay. For example, f of 2 will be substituting this function 1 over 12 times 2 times 2, 4, minus 1 is 3. It will be 3 over 12, which is 1 over 4. And f of 4, for example, equals 1 over 12 times 2 times 4, 8 minus 1 is 7. It will be 7 over 12. And f of 3 will be 1 over 12 times 2 times 3, 6 minus 1 is 5. 5. It will be 5 over 12. So we have 3 values, and we can graph this one. Okay. You have first one is 2. Okay, 2 and 4, example. 2 and 4 and 1. F of 1. Okay, let me find f of 1 is 1 over 12 times 2, 1 equals 1 over 12. So f of 1 will be 1 over 12. F of 2 will be 3 over 12, which is 1/4, 3 over 12. And f of 3 is 5. 5 over 12. And f of 4 is 7 over 12. And this is a straight line. Okay, let me graph this one. This is a straight line because this function is represented a linear function. It's represented by a straight line, has a slope, and has a different number of points. Okay, let me solve. Probability of x is greater than or equal to and less than or equal 4 is this area between 2 and 4. Okay, so we need this area. And we need the area under the curve and above the x-axis. to find the density function or the area of this one or the probability. Probability means the area under the curve and above the x-axis, between the curve and the x-axis, okay? And this probability, this figure is represented by a trapezoid. And we can find this area to find the probability or the continuous, the probability of the continuous random variable in this function. It's okay? So we need the area of the trapezoid. What is the area of the trapezoid? Base 1 plus base 2, base 1 plus base 2 over 2 times height. Where is base 1, which is f of 2? Because you need from 2 to 5. The density function is between 2 and 4. So the base 1 is f of 2. F of 2 is 1 over 4. Plus base 2 is f of 4, which is 7 over 12. 1 over 4 or 3 over 12, the same. And this is 7 over 12. Divided by 2, and the height is the number between the two variables, which is between 2 and 4, which is 2. So this eliminate with this one. It will be 10 over 12 or 5 over 6. It's okay? This is the first one. This is I. The second part of the question will be, second part is probability of x is greater than or equal 1 and less than or equal a equals 1 over 12 plus find f of a. F of a will be 1 over 12 times 2a minus 1, 2a minus 1, which is 2a minus 1 over 12, 2a minus 1 over 12, divided by 2, divided by 2 times height, which is a minus 1. This one equals 1 over 6, which is a given 1, 1 over 16. So 1 over 6, no, 1 over 6. 1 over 6. Yes. So you can substitute, you can eliminate here to find this value. Okay. So by using solution of this one, you will find the value of a, which is equals 2. Okay, after you calculate it. We have another example. If f of x equals kx, where when x is greater than or equal 0, less than or equal 4, and 0 otherwise. Then the density function of continuous random variable x, then when k equals have 1 over 6 or 1 over 8 or 1 over 12. Another question. This is number 1. Number 2, if f of x equals 1 over 50 times 17 minus 2x, when x is greater than or equal 1 and less than or equal 6, and 0 is 50. Otherwise, then probability of x is greater than 2 and less than or equal 5 equals 7 over 25, 11 over 25, 3 over 5, or 1. Number 3, x is a continuous random variable, and f of x equals 1 over 24 times x plus k, and x is greater than or equal to and less than or equal 6, 0, otherwise. Find k, and it's number 1, and number 2, probability of x is less than or equal. Okay, we need this exercise in the homework, and if you have any questions, just send to me. Okay, thank you.